is your first time tuning in with me, welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. This is my first Vlogmas, guys. I said Vlogmas. My first Vlogmas, guys, and I'm really excited. You guys will be getting ready with me. I'm feeling for a blue type of vibe today in terms of makeup, but I can't decide, guys. I have not done a look with this beautiful aqua color in my Huda Beauty palette. This one over here, it's called Haze. It's so beautiful. It's like an aqua blue. I want to try and do something with that color, and I'm also, yeah, we'll have to see how that goes. So I'm gonna start off with my primer. I've already applied moisturizer on my face, so I'm going to be priming my face with the Revlon Photo Ready. This is the Plus Perfecting and Smoothing Primer. Just put it down there and there, that's fine. Just a little bit there. Okay, so guys, I haven't filmed for like 2 weeks, guys. It's so crazy. I'm really hoping that I'll be able to keep up with the Vlogmas. If you don't know what Vlogmas is, it's basically when you record basically for the first 25 days of December. And you know what, guys, when I started doing YouTube, I used to record every day, Monday to Friday. And obviously life happens. And the beginning of this year, I just couldn't keep up recording every day anymore. So I started doing 3 times a week, and this last 2 weeks I haven't put any content up. Well, I put up a video yesterday that I made over the weekend or the day before yesterday, but before then it was like quiet for 2 weeks, and I'm so sorry, guys. I just have been a bit overwhelmed with the 2 kiddies and things. I couldn't find the time to record. So I'm back, and so for foundation, I'll be going in with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte. So I'll be concealing my face with the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is in the shade, I didn't mention the shade of that one, but this is in the shade Biscuit. So you guys, how have you guys been? Please comment in the comment section and let me know how you guys have been. Like I said, things have been crazy on my side, and there are rumors, guys. Oh my word. So if you're new to my channel, I am South African and I'm in South Africa, and there are rumors that my state, I think you'll call it in another place, state or province, might be going under what they call level 3 lockdown again, right? Which is so frustrating because, yeah, level 3 is quite strict. You won't be able, and Christmas time's coming up, so we might not be able to spend that time with our families and things. I don't know, depending on what the rules are that they're going to implement if they do go ahead. Now, there are rumors that we will be under level 3 lockdown from the 15th of December. I don't know if it's true. At the moment, it's still rumors. But if you're South African, then you know how this country works. Everything is a rumor until the president addresses the nation, and we all know what he's gonna say, my fellow South Africans. And that's kind of the speech that everyone dreads. So at the moment, it's just rumors until he says it. And I have a feeling that this weekend he will announce it. I think he will call a meeting probably the Sunday. You know how he usually lets us enjoy our weekend, and then the Sunday evening reality strikes when he addresses the nation and breaks it to everyone. So I don't know, we'll see. So I'll be going in with the Cartier Extraordinary Translucent Powder. It's Cartier London. If you can see that. Right, just to sit under my eyes. This is a matte foundation, so I don't really need to set too much. Guys, so this whole COVID thing is so frustrating because it's what they are calling in my city. They're saying it's like a resurgence type thing. So okay, I'll dust that off later. Just let it bake for now. So with regards to the colors, guys, I'm really torn between two colors. As I've mentioned, from the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, I'm really looking to use this haze color. Well, it's called haze, but the actual color is like an aqua blue. So I'm gonna go in with that color. Oh, beautiful. I'm just going to apply it as a transition shade. It's like a blue green, isn't it? That's what aqua is really. I'm gonna switch over to the Revolution. This is the Makeup Revolution London. This is the Tammy X Revolution palette, and it's a beautiful all color palette, or very colorful. So I'm gonna go in with this blue down here, this one. Okay, so I'm just feeling this blue, guys. I'm still seeing where it's going, but I'm liking it so far. Oh, stunning. And yes, guys, so we here in South Africa might be in for another lockdown, as rumor has it. Rumor has it. So I have to see how true it is, but I know many people are not impressed, especially like small business owners and that sort of thing, because they kind of suffer the most, and then people also who lose their jobs and that sort of thing, because a lot of companies have been retrenching over here because of this lockdown. So it's really tough, guys. Alright, that's really making the aqua stand out more, isn't it? That's so cool. See, that one's gone a bit more in here, and I kind of like that. So I went in more in the corners of the eye as well. Ooh, it's standing out nice. I think I'm not gonna go darker because I wanted to go in then with this color over here, but this looks so good. I don't know if I want to. Do I want to is the question. What the heck, guys, I've decided I'm going to go dark because I'm going to go in with this blue over here. I actually don't know what it's called. I took off that sticker page thing, or the plastic that had all the names on, so I don't have the names of that. Right. It took me a long time to decide this one, guys, but I'm going to go in then with my Scarlet Hill eyeshadow palette. This is from the Spring Fling palette, and it's got a beautiful aqua color over here. Don't mind the little pink swatch. It was me swatching the when I done the swatches video. I actually haven't done a video with this yet. And they've got this beautiful poolside color. Right, so I'm gonna put that, but it comes out more glittery, so I'm gonna put that over just on the eye, on the inner, almost like a cut crease. I'm not gonna cut it, I'm just gonna add the glittery shade as well. And I've decided to use my finger because I just feel that glittery shades, I don't know if you can see what it looks like, it just sits better with your finger. Sometimes I feel I can just do a better job with my finger. Wow, don't know if you guys can see that. Stunning. Okay, that's that. I've just done my brows off camera just to save us some time. I've also done what I've done to the top, I've done to the bottom or under my eyes as well. I'm gonna go in and just fluff off the powder that I'd left on my eyes earlier, also to brush off any fallout. As you guys can see, there was quite a bit of fallout with this one, unfortunately. Alright. Okay. So I'm gonna go in with my Catrice ID bronzer. Where is this brush that I like to use for bronzer? And I'm just gonna add some color to these cheeks and carve them out a bit as well. Okay, not forgetting the carving out my jawline and the other cheek. Alright, I'm going to grab this beautiful fluffy brush and just carve out my nose as well. Just ever so slightly. I'm going to go in with my Old Faithful, the blush by Essence. This is in the shade Beloved. Next up, I'll be setting my face with the Maybelline Glass Spray. While the setting spray is drying, guys, I'm gonna line my lips with the Smudge Gel Lip Liner. This is in the shade Medium Brown. I need to get another one because this one's so small already. I just love this color. Because I've done such a bold eye look, I'm gonna do more of a nude lip. Next, I'll be jumping in with my Huda Beauty. This is in the color Prom Night. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Essence Lash Princess. This is the false lash effect one. Guys, let me just say, I am on some Facebook groups, you know, makeup groups, that sort of thing, and I've seen a lot of people saying a lot of different things about different makeup. Someone actually asked the question, which makeup have you had like your worst experience with? And a lot of people were like bashing different brands, and I saw some people like coming in even for like Essence, especially like the Lash Princess, and they're saying things like Tati is a liar because she said this is like one of the best affordable mascaras. And so sorry, I can't do that and talk because I really want to focus. To be honest, guys, in my personal opinion, not every product will work for everyone, because some people mention some high-end brands that some people absolutely rave about. So it's not just that it's because it's an affordable product that it doesn't work for some people. Everybody's skin is different, guys. Not all products work for everyone. Like, there were people saying that they were so disappointed in some Fenty products, they were so disappointed in different types of products. You know, sometimes you just create an expectation. It's not that the product is bad, it's just maybe you just expect something miraculous to happen. It's happened to me before. We have had high expectations from a product, and when I use it, I feel kind of underwhelmed. So I think that's what happened in their case. But it's not to say because the product works for one person that it will work for another. You just kind of need to try different brands and see what works with your skin and what works for you. So this is the final look. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, and if this is something you would wear. Maybe if you're going to a gala event or a matric ball and your dress is blue or silver, I think this is something that you can look into. Or even if you have a green dress, I think this could work for you as well, because the colors are like borderlining aqua, blue, green, and I think I actually really like it, guys. But please let me know what you guys think, and thank you so much for getting ready with me. I appreciate the company, and if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, why not, hun? What are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, it's free, and the bell so that you get notified when I do upload new content. Like I said, guys, this is my first attempt to do a vlogmas, so it's like 25 days of constant uploading. So please support me, guys. Share the video with a friend, make sure to subscribe, and keep me in your prayers and hold thumbs for me so that I can get it done. And I'll catch you on the next video.